Hi, team. Today I want to try to help you guys out with one simple thing. Sometimes when it's a little bit tough for you, maybe you've been working a lot, maybe you feel like you're not making the progress that you're trying to make. I want you to think about two things, okay? One, I want you to remember that in order to get, you must first give, okay? Do not make the mistake of the man who sat in front of the fireplace and said, "Give me heat, and then I will give you the wood." That's number one. You must give before you can get. If you feel like you're lacking, try to think of ways in which you can give, okay? You must sow before you reap. And the second thing, when you feel like you're losing hope, or maybe you're just a little bit tired and you've been grinding it out for a really long time, I want you to also remember your why. And it helps a lot if your why is a worthy ideal. It helps a lot for me personally if you think of all the people that you care about. I don't know if maybe something else motivates you. Maybe you grew up in a poor situation and the thought of money just excites you a lot. Me, I grew up in a middle class environment and I grew up with family that I love very much. And that's what drives me. Whenever things get really tough, just know you have a mind and you can figure it out. For sure. No matter how bleak it may seem, you've got this. In order to get, you must give. It's number one. And number two, remember your why. For me, it's the people in your life because it's easy to feel sorry for yourself, but then you remember the people who need you and who look up to you. Remember those two things and you'll be just fine.